Alright, so got one of these big packs of 2019 Topps Series 1 baseball, and then I've got a package from Panini Rewards. Chris Bryant, Cole Stewart, rookie. Kobe Allard for the Braves, rookie. Ranger Suarez. There's a Willie Calhoun, future star. Brian McCann, back with the Braves. We go. Always Sunny. Sir DD shares his expertise. Kevin Gossman. Miller. And there's our 150 here. Ronald Acuna Jr. Insert. There's a rookie, Luis Urias. I think that's how you say that. 84 style rookie. Gleyber Torres. Pew. Alex Gordon. And Clayton Kershaw. And we have, this is, I believe, yeah, Mary Pickford. She was an old silent film actress and one of the founding members of, I think, United Artists. Yeah, United Artists movie studio. So I thought that would be pretty neat to own. It is just a piece of clothing, I guess. Alright, still pretty neat. Alright, thanks for watching.